If you should visit a place called the Island of Sodor, then you may also find a tank engine with a number 1, called Thomas.
Hurry, hurry!
Slow down, Thomas.
We won't be late.
Oh, come along, we're rather late. Oh, come along, we're rather late.
We're coming along. We're coming along.
Wake up, lazy bones! Really useful engine has just arrived.
Old indignity! It would have been much better if you had stayed here with us.
Huh?
We get no rest, we get no rest.
You're lazy and slack.
You're lazy and slack.
Hello, Thomas. How are things on the branch line?
Everything's perfect, Edward. There have been no complaints from the Fat Controller or the passengers, which means that I'm a really useful engine.
That's good to hear.
By the way, what happened to Henry and Gordon? They seem kinda different.
Oh, they are just missing the times when you were working as a station pilot. They now complain about more work and fetching their own trains.
I don't quite understand those engines.
Neither can I, Thomas.
James, is that you?
Yes, Thomas, it's me. We haven't seen each other since my accident with my wooden brake blocks.
Are you feeling better?
Much better.
That's very good. I must say, James, you look splendid with that paint. Red suits you better than black.
I think so too. It looks pretty good.
Well, you better be ready for tomorrow's train, James.
Oh yes, I forgot. You and I are going to pull the passenger train from Natford to Vickerstown.
Then we are going to meet tomorrow as well. Bye!
He certainly has matured.
He did indeed.
I am Thomas the Tank Engine. I used to be the most responsible and reliable Natford Station pilot. But it all changed when James had an accident with the trucks. Helping James was a very grown-up move, and the Fat Controller, the head of the whole railway, rewarded me with my own branch line. My branch line is very big. For me, it's the most important part of the whole railway. My two coaches agree with me. Annie can only take passengers, but Clarabel can take passengers, luggage, and the guard. They are both old and need new paint, but I love them very much. I know every engine on the island. the most important for me is Edward. He is one of the oldest and wisest engines on the island, and was also my mentor. Gordon may be rude, but he's also very useful. He is proud of being the only engine on pulling the long express train, called the Wild Nor'Wester. Henry is nearly the same size as Gordon. He is kinder than him, but also has a pompous side. He also grumbles about health. For me, Henry is just an actor who wants to have fewer jobs than us. James had been ill after his dreadful accident with the trucks, but now he had new brakes and a shining coat of red paint. Edward decided to help him learn more about the trucks and coaches. They do seem to get along. I know little about Sodor and its famous places, but no matter what situation, we are not giving up. Even though I am little, I am still really useful. Little engines can do big things.
Good morning, James. Are you ready for today's work?
Yes, sir. I'm ready. I don't care what job I get, as long as I make you happy.
That's a good engine. At least you and Edward understand the importance of being useful. Unlike some engines, you also don't grumble about shunting.
Well, I suppose I must go.
Before you go, James, I must remind you of something.
What is it, sir?
You're a special mixed traffic engine. You can pull coaches or trucks quite easily, so don't be worried about pulling both.
Alright, sir. I'll remember that. Here they are.
Be careful with the coaches, James. They don't like being bumped.
But, Edward, aren't the trucks also annoyed when they get bumped? You do that all the time and seem to manage them very well.
I have got experience from an engine I used to work with. I am sure you will understand how to handle them too.
While Edward was taking on water, James took the coaches to the station. There were a lot of people there. Everyone was admiring James.
Maybe it's true after all. I really am splendid.
My heart!
Oh dear! Oh, that's the guard! Come along, Edward!
Wait, James, be careful!
Don't go so fast! Don't go so fast!
James didn't listen, for he wanted to run away before the Fat Controller could call him back.
James, stop!
Bust my buffers!
No hurry, James. We aren't running late.
Yes, Edward. I'm sorry.
No one seemed to know about the Fat Controller's top hat, and it made James feel happier.
Hello, James. How are things? Everything's fine. Well, besides the fact that we nearly passed the first station. I see! Well, you have to be more careful. Ah! That's the whistle from my guard, Robert. I must go. Sorry I can't stop. I don't know what the Fat Controller would do without me to run this branch line.
Soon, they were passing the field where James had had his incident. The fence was mended and the cows were back again.
Pay attention, James. We are going to climb the hill.
Alright, I got it. Oh, it's ever so steep. It's ever so steep.
I've done it before. We'll do it. We did it!
We did it!
What? You have accidentally ruined the Fat Controller's hat?
It was, I didn't mean it, Edward. I was very shy by the passengers' comments.
Let's just hope the Fat Controller will not be mad with you.